Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong content galing from the 2019 Geodetic Boards or Geodetic Engineering Board Exam, Engineering Mathematics, and this is from Trigonometry. Pero before that, shoutout muna kanila Engineer Evangelio, Engineer Victoriano, Engineer Mendoza, Engineer JC Factor, Engineer Froho, Engineer Paulino, Engineer Sharciano. Lahat sila galing ng Romblon State University Main Campus. Shoutout din kay Lodikix Christian Yunting, sa Isabela National High School Sigma founder kay Sir Lodikix Roderick Kakuyong and kay Lodikix Engineer King sa Bakahan, kay Nika May Bautista at saka kay Haney Henson. And maraming salamat sa inyo mga Lodikix sa patuloy na suporta sa channel ko. And I hope you all the best. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. So yung problem natin is the area of a spherical triangle ABC whose parts are A equals 93 degrees 40 minutes, B equals 64 degrees 12 minutes, and C equals 116 degrees 51 minutes, and the radius of the sphere is 100 meters is. So paano po ba natin kinukuha ang area ng isang spherical triangle? Naalala mo ba yung formula, Lodi Geeks? If naalala mo, good job for you. So the area of a spherical triangle is equal to pi r squared multiplied by the spherical excess all over 180 degrees. Okay? Sir IG, how do we get the excess of a given spherical triangle? So you just need to add the angles and just subtract 180 degrees. So yun na po yung magiging spherical excess natin. So this is basically just formula based, mga Lodi Geeks. So ang excess natin is just the sum of the angles minus 180 degrees. So you just need to add the following. So kailangan lang make sure na i-type yung 40 minutes sa calcu. Kayang-kaya naman yan mga Lodi Geeks. Degrees, minutes, seconds naman yun. Plus 64 degrees 12 minutes plus 116 degrees 51 minutes minus 180 degrees. So this is equivalent to, double check lang natin mga idolo, just get your calculators, yung Canon or yung CARS, basta yung approved ng PRC sa board. So 116 degrees 51 minutes minus 180 mga idolo. So ang lalabas na sagot, Sir IJI, yan, approximately 94.72 degrees. Or kapag kinonvert mo yan sa minutes, mga idolo, so that's 94 degrees 43 minutes. Kaya lang kasi dito sa excess, ang pinaka-importanting gamitin natin, ito, yung 0.72 na kasi i-convert din natin siya sa decimal, itong minutes natin. So, computing for the area, given the formula, so we have pi multiplied by the given radius 100 meters squared multiplied by spherical excess na 94.72 degrees, approximately all over 180 degrees. So computing for the value of the area of the given spherical triangle, so what we will obtain is, double check lang natin sa calculators mga idolo. So the correct answer is 16,531. Approximately na to mga Lodi Cakes, 16,531 square meters. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo sa calcio, pag ang ginamit nyo kasi 94 point, mga Lodi Cakes, 94.72, so ang mangyayari, makukuha nyo around 16,532. If hindi po kayo nag-floating, kumbaga ang ginamit nyo 94.7166667, so makukuha nyo yung approximate na answer, 16,531. Pero yun nga, kung ano po yung pinakamalapit, yun yung magiging final answer natin. So ano bang importante dito, Sir IG? Dapat alam lang po natin yung pagkuha ng area ng spherical triangle. At the same time, how do we get the excess of the given spherical triangle? So I hope kahit paano na-refresh ko kayo, and dun sa mga nagpe-prepare for board exams, I hope you all the best, and maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. If you have questions or clarifications, feel free to comment in the comment section. See you sa mga susunod na tutorials natin. Bye-bye and God bless.